Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Citroen Berlingo panel van. The vehicle is new and covered under manufacturer warranty, comes in the crew cab configuration over the long wheelbase and the Enterprise trim level. At the back it comes with the classic barn style opening doors, and also it's been fitted with a rear view camera. The cargo area has been ply lined, and it also gives access to 4 anchorage points over the floor to make sure all your cargo is secure. The rear bulkhead is a sliding net model and also offers a load-through hatch if you prefer to have 4-seat configuration with extended cargo area. All 5 seats are finished in fabric and the driver's seat is fully adjustable and independent. And once you get into the cabin, you have multiple storage solutions over the passenger side, and also 2 cup holders, one for each side. The 3-spoke steering wheel is adjustable in height and depth, and behind it you can find the commands for the automatic headlights and cruise control. While over to the right hand side you have the wipers and media remote. The infotainment is a Citroen NAC fitted with DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable. And from here you can also get access to the rear view camera with dynamic trajectory. Underneath the infotainment you can find the air conditioning control and the heated mirror toggle. The vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo crew van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.